where we work and how we work has transformed dramatically during the pandemic. I'm here at Basecamp, Interface's headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia, to talk to Chip DeGrace, Director of Design Purpose, about how workplace is changing and about how flooring is changing to suit the way we work. Chip, the world of interiors is in a very different place now than it was a couple of years ago.
Safe to say.
Have you found yourself thinking about your product in different ways?
I think what we're trying to understand is what's the range of sort of tactile experiences that might assist the behaviors that our customers are after.
It's also about that mental leap that somebody needs to make to say, that place, I like that place and I want to go there and work today.
I think it will only happen if we can provide them very specific experiences, moments where they can focus and get certain things done, whether it's collaborative activity, or whether it's heads down space, or it's a little bit of both.
You know, in this scenario, we're talking about spaces being designed with intent, designed for needs even 6 months down the line. Can you tell us a little bit about what you've been trying to do with Floor?
Yeah, the interesting thing about Floor is it is our specialty design brand, but since its inception, it has been focused on more the emotive side of what flooring can and should do. Floor, being that type of brand, adds to the existing system, you know, for the commercial customer. And again, in discussions with customers now, with them identifying very specifically, you know, the sort of the diverse needs of their users, you know, they're actually digging into that. The great thing about Floor is it expands the interface system dramatically. It gives our designers the ability to push the limits. There's a little more sparkle, there's a little more shine, there's a little more contrast in the Floor vocabulary. And that, in connection with, you know, the commercial line, has offered a range of new possibilities.
Can you talk about how you're getting to carbon negative with Floor and why that's important to the larger scheme of where workplaces or commercial spaces are headed?
Because of the way that we've designed and manufactured these products, they actually are carbon negative, which means that they've sequestered more carbon in them than it took to actually make them. It requires, of course, on the product development side and on the manufacturing side, that you change your mindset and that you not only use materials that are 100% recycled and bio-based, but that the energy you use to make that product is, of course, renewable. And so it's everything, it's all the ecologies sort of around the product that you also have to think about. And I think designers and ultimately their customers deserve better products.
Now, that's so important, is to give people a place to start. Reducing the amount of carbon emissions we put in the air through our activities can be daunting.
Maybe we're asking more of the products that actually we're specifying, which is, yes, be beautiful, yes, be specific to the behavior we're trying to support, but we also want it to be, you know, good for the user and good for the environment. I think all that can happen.